Hello parents. In this session I will teach you another two Riemann letters which is related to the standing and sleeping lines. So before that, revise the letter which we have learned with the phonic sound. L, standing line, sleeping line. With the help of standing line and sleeping line, we write L here. L says L. The sound of phonic sound of letter L is L. L says L. With the help of sleeping line and standing line, we make letter T. T says T. T says T. Another letter is, with the help of sleeping and standing line, I draw a first sleeping line, then I draw a standing line, and then I draw a sleeping line. We will make the letter I. I says E. I says E. The sound of I is E. This is letter E. The sound of E is E. The sound of I is E, and the letter E sound of is A. We write the letter with the help of standing and sleeping line. First I draw a standing line and then the three sleeping lines, and join this the standing line, letter E. E says A. L T I E. L T I and E. Now I will teach you remain two letters which is related to the standing and sleeping line, which is F. I draw F here first. I draw a standing line, then I draw two sleeping lines, standing line and sleeping line. It's become a letter F. F says F. F says F. The sound of F is F. When I will teach the letters, the phonic sound also we have to teach and we have to learn, which is very necessary. If we are only learn the letters or only we write the letters, it is not enough. We have to write the letters with the phonic sound. We read the letters with the phonic sound. F. F says F. F says F. The sound of F is F. F says F. F as in floor, fan. F. F says F. Another one letter remain of standing and sleeping line is H. I draw a first standing line, sleeping line and standing line. You also teach your word by this method. Standing line, sleeping line and standing line. It's become letter H. H. H says H. H says H. H. This letter is H. H says H. H. H says H. H says H. H as in hat. H as in hat. Right? First letter of hat is H. We pronounce H. Hat. So the sound of H is H. S says H. So we learn the standing line, sleeping line, and this all letters which is related to the standing and sleeping line. L T I E F H. L T I E F H. Always you have to recite again and again when you are teaching your word. L T R E F H. So they can identify the letters when we revise and recite again and again. Also you have to revise the phonic sound of each letter. Now here is the slant line. These are the two slant lines. Already we had learned how to draw the lines. This is one slant line, which is right to left direction we draw, and this is another slant line which we draw like right to left. Now we will learn the letters which is related to the slant line. So first letter is A. How to draw the letter A with the help of slant line? You have to convey your word. First, draw a line in this direction, upward to downward direction, left to right. Sorry, right to left. Right? Then another, we have to draw a letter line. There's another slant line. Then I draw here a sleeping line. Slant line, another slant line, and sleeping line. Slant line, the slant line, and another sleeping line. Letter A. Letter A. Which is this letter I draw? Letter A. Same question you have to ask your word while you are teaching. A. Which letter I draw here? A. Which is this letter? A. The sound of A is A. The sound of letter A is A. We cannot pronounce the Here is the letter A, but the sound of letter A is A. When we pronounce apple, the apple word start from letter A. We cannot pronounce apple. We have to pronounce apple. Right? The sound of A is A. Apple. Axe. A as in axe. So start the letter axe from A. The first letter of axe is A. So we pronounce axe. We cannot pronounce ox. Right? So it's axe. So axe is the sound of letter A. We have to pronounce this is A. Apple, axe, alligator. Also alligator. The word start from letter A. So we have to pronounce alligator. We cannot pronounce alligator. Right? So the sound of A is A. Apple, axe, alligator, ant. Ant also. So ant, we pronounce ant. The first letter of ant is A. So we have to pronounce S is A. Ant. Right? So hope you understand why we pronounce the sound of letter A. When we will teach the 2 letters, 3 letters in the junior KG and the 4 to 5 letters in the senior KG, this phonic sound of alphabet, which is very helpful for them. So in the nursery we have to learn the all alphabets and their sounds, which is very necessary. A. I draw a slant line, then sleeping lines. It's become A. A. A says A. A says A. Right? The next letter is, we have to learn K. First, I draw a standing line. I draw a standing line. Then I have to draw a slant line. I have to draw a half slant line. It's become a letter K with the help of standing and slant line. With the help of standing line and slant line. First I draw a standing line, then I draw a slant line here. Standing line, slant line. It's letter K. Letter K. Which is this letter? This is K. K says, the sound of K is K. Sound of K is K. Kitchen. We pronounce kitten. Right? So start from the K. The sound of K is K. King. King. In this word, the first letter is K. So we have to pronounce K. King. Right? So you understand. K says K. K says K. Which is this letter? K. K. K says K. K says K. Next letter I will teach you with the help of standing and slant line. Letter M. I draw plus stand line, then I draw a slant line, and then I draw a standing line. It's become a letter M. This is the standing line, slant line, and standing line. Its letter become a M. This is M. Which is this letter? This is M. M says M. M says M. M says M. M as in mother. M as in mother. We have to pronounce the sound of letter M is M. M says M. M says M. So, next letter I will teach N. N. First I draw a standing line, then I draw a slant line, and then I draw a standing line. It's become letter N. It's become letter N. First I draw a standing line, then I draw a slant line, then I draw a standing line. Which is this letter? I write here letter N. Letter N. N says N. N says N. The sound of N is N. N. Nap. Naughty. N. N says N. Nice. Start the letter nice from letter N. So N says N. The sound of N is N. The sound of N is N. Letter N. So we revise the letter which we had learned again. L. L says L. T. T says T. I says E. E says A. F says F. F says F. H says H. K says K. A says A. M says M. N says N. F, H, K, A, M and N. Today we learn two remain letters of standing sleeping line, which is F and H, and another letter of related to the slant line, K, A, M and N. This four letter today we learn of the slant line, right? So you have to revise this all letters with the phonic sound and tries to write. I know that students cannot write properly. They cannot hold the pencil also properly, right? So first you have to do the support to your word and do the various activity of the fine motor skill, or we had learned the fine motor skill activity of the paper activity also and the door activity also. You have to take a practice of door and the paper activity. Definitely it will be helpful to develop the palm and finger muscles, and they hold the pencil properly and they will be write also properly. So don't worry if they are not write properly, right? So parents, teach your word the letters with the help of standing sleeping line and slant line. Thank you.